Hi, this is Aditi from Medinova. We are a Bangalore-based company. We are a manufacturer of biomedical waste management products and CSSD products. Our unit is based in Bangalore, Kamakshipalya. We specialize in manufacturing of all kinds of CSSD and biomedical waste equipment management. We have all ranges of plastic medical requirements needed to cater to any medical institution or any hospital facilities. So these are a wide range of hub cutters used to cut syringes after usage before disposal to separate the needle and the syringe part of it. These are a few plastic patient care products which a patient uses on a regular basis after or before surgeries in the hospital. These are color-coded bins which are used for disposing different kinds of waste generated in the hospital. These are our main product, the sharp container. Basically, these are used to dispose used syringes and biohazard waste. As biohazard waste can be very infectious to people in and around and people who are handling this. This comes with a temporary and permanent lock which prevents the biohazard waste to spread or spill anywhere during the transportation or disposal procedure. They are available in variety of sizes and shapes according to the requirement of every hospital vicinity. This is our specialty product, that is Autoclav plastic. We are the only manufacturer in India manufacturing plastic which can be autoclavable at 135 degrees Celsius. So we basically want to spread awareness about how we can use plastic for autoclaving instead of the ancient method where they're using stainless steel. Plastic has a lot of advantages over stainless steel, like being cost effective, being sonorous. It is not very polluting of noises inside. Handling is very easy, cleaning is very easy, and the life also is way better than the stainless steel products. We do have stainless steel trays also, so we cater all the CSSD requirements. We also have reels in different sizes. And the newest launched product would be our roll and reel dispensing machine. So as many of the CSSD departments face a lot of problems during dispensing of the rolls and cutting of these reels according to the sizes of the requirement, this machine caters both the requirement. It gives the proper dispensing of any sizes of reel which can be loaded in this, and you can cut it according to your requirement using the cutting machine. One of our very fast moving products is the Ampoule Opener. So technically in the market you see a lot of use and throw Ampoule openers in different sizes. So every time you are handling a different ampoule, you need a different Ampoule opener. We have put all these in one. So in this, what you can do is from 2 ml to 50 ml, any sizes of ampoule you can cut. And the traditional method of cutting ampules is by the hand, where the healthcare professional is hurt again and again while removing or breaking the ampules. So this makes a very easy product for them. So what you do is you score the product a little like this, and then you put it on the respective opening, and with one snap it breaks open without any sharp edges or wastage of medicine. It helps you to give a proper dosage to your patients. So there is no spillage of medicine as such. In this you can open any measurement of ampules. Plus this also has a vial opener. It also has a scalpel blade remover, a needle destroyer. So this is an all-in-one tool for the nursing stations, making their daily job very easy.